Hi everyone, Dr. Ahmed Hemaida with you. I want to show you how you can take a screenshot on your PC using Windows 10. Say, I am on my desktop and I need to take a screenshot of my browser as an example. I'm gonna show 4 different methods to take a screenshot. Probably the easiest way you could get to it is to open up search and then to type in snipping. Then here we see the snipping tool. If you want easier access in the future, you can pin that to the start menu or taskbar, which shows up where all these apps are over. This is a tool and an app that I use quite often. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it on the taskbar this to open up the snipping tool. Now there are a few different modes that the snipping tool has you could do. A full screen capture that simply takes a screenshot of the entire desktop. Then right click and save. There's also a Windows snip which captures the active window. I'll show you how that works. So here I could select a window, then click on the image. And again right click and save. There's also rectangular snip. Select any part of the screen as a rectangle. Then right click and save. I could save this as different file types. I have the option of doing a PNG, a GIF, or a JPEG. So the other mode is the freeform. I can try my best to select an area that I want to take a screenshot of, then right click and save. I could simply highlight an area of the page that I want to take a screenshot of. You can annotate, so here there's a pen tool. I could also email of the screenshot to someone. What you could also do is you could set a delay, so similar to when you're taking a photo of your family, and you want someone to hit the take photo button and you all run together and smile. Second method, you can take a screenshot using your keyboard. Hit the print screen button to take a screenshot of the entire screen. When using Windows, pressing the print screen button, located in the top right of the keyboard, will take a screenshot of your entire screen. Hitting this button essentially copies an image of the screen to the clipboard. Where does it go? Well, you have to open Word, Paint, or some other image editing program to view, edit, or save the image. For example, open Word, right-clicking the mouse and selecting Paste. Third method. What if I just want to take a screenshot of the active window? What I could do is just press the Alt key and print screen at the same time. And so if I paste here, I will see that took a screenshot of just that window. Fourth method. Another kind of neat technique is if you press the Windows key and print screen at the same time, it'll simply automatically save that. So there it saved a copy and it puts it in pictures and screenshots. And there you see that it just saved the screenshot. Today I showed you 4 different ways you could take a screenshot. One of them is with the snipping tool. The other way is using your keyboard and hitting the print screen button. And a few combinations of that depending on what you want to do. Hopefully that unblocks you with all your screenshot needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future tech videos, hit subscribe button, and that way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.